right. They will fight in the cemetery amongst the tombstones. And a lot of those tombstones were damaged by incoming artillery. Many were replaced, but there's still a few over there that still show the battle damage. Yeah. Will everybody catch up? Anybody have any questions about anything I said so far? All right. These folks are looking at a monument. It's the Kentucky Monument. Now, Kentucky didn't send any troops here, but Abraham Lincoln was from Kentucky, and the words of the Gettysburg Address are on the Kentucky Monument. But there's a big monument behind it, the Soldiers' National Monument. It's the oldest monument in the national park. The cornerstone was laid in 1865, months after the war concluded. Take a look at the woman at the top. You might recognize her. In New York Harbor, she holds the lamp of liberty high, welcoming immigrants to the country. Here in Gettysburg, she holds the wreath of victory very low, because Gettysburg was a sad and costly victory. It's not like the Olympic Games, something to celebrate, but something to be sad about, because there were 51,000 Americans, north and south, east and west, who were dead or wounded or captured, many unaccounted for. The Genius of Liberty is her name, the Genius of Liberty. Surrounding the monument are 18 stars representing 18 different northern states. And then there are allegorical figures carved of Italian Carrara marble. The lady on the left represents plenty or prosperity. She's got a sheaf of wheat in her hand. The fellow on the right represents peace. The wheels of industry turn again. The 19th century depiction of peace. On the other side of the monuments, if you take a close look, you'll see history and war represented in those monuments. The Soldiers' National Monument here on Cemetery Hill. Now, the soldiers that are buried here are buried by state. Each of the 18 different northern states that send troops here does have a state plot. So Illinois, Indiana, Pennsylvania, and all the others that send troops here each have their own state plot. But the soldiers are buried by state, but not by rank. All the sergeants, captains, and privates are all mixed up with each other to symbolically send the message that all men are created equal. There are also plots of the unknown soldiers.